Next part of this topic is certain terminologies we use in the service desk. So we have a monitoring system, infrastructure monitoring system. So those monitoring system may generate certain events, alerts kind of stuff. From this events and alerts, from the events and alerts or warnings, errors kind of stuff. From this one, your service desk will create its own ticket. Okay, so service desk does not mean always customer will come and give a complaint. You have huge infrastructure, servers are there, routers are there, switches are there, networking components are there, storage devices are there. Okay, multiple servers are there, database servers are there. So lot of infrastructure is there. While you are monitoring this entire infrastructure, so many things will occur in background, right? Some server is down, your router is down, your router is become busy, server is CPU is consuming very high. Okay, so what happened? These events kind of stuff are occurring. Okay, the server is down, event is occur. Server is busy, event is occur. The router is not working, so event is occur. Okay, so these events and alerts will send to the service desk through the monitoring system. Then automatically the service desk will create a ticket based on these events and alerts to inform the team this something issues occur, so please take care of it. Please take care of it. So that is event and alert. Okay, so this is occurring kind of stuff. After that one, event is first one. Okay, so what is an event? Any detectable occurrence that significance for a IT infrastructure management. For example, guys, you connect a new hard disk. Hard disk is online. Hard disk is some hard disk is damaged. Hard disk is offline. That is an event. Your system will record. It means there is an event system is there. Event softwares are there. They will log everything. What are the happening? What are the thing is happening? So that will be logged there. Either it is good or bad or warning kind of stuff like. So, for example, disk is full. The warning is generated. Event is generated in the warning session. Event warning. For example, file system is corrupted. File system is corrupted in the days. File system is corrupted. Warning is generated. Disk is damaged, not working. Disk is offline. Now disk is online. That is also event. System is up and running. Event. System is down. Event. Internet is working. Internet is down. Okay. Network is down. So router is not working, or maybe a switch is not working. Switch is completely busy, so unable to handle the traffic. More traffic at a single segment. These are all events only. Okay, any detectable occurrence that has a significant for a IT infrastructure management. That is some importance is there. Alerting is a notification system. It means, for example, I will tell event and alert. So you went to the shop, you purchase something, you open your phone pay or a Google Pay. So done a QR code scanning. So put a payment, right? You done a payment. Now payment is done. Okay, you done a QR code scanning and you click the payment. Payment is successful. You got a notification. Payment is successful. From bank amount is detected. Payment is failure. Payment is failure. Or will take a little time for a processing. Background processing is not completed. Okay, so processing is going on. Do not close the application. It's a notification, you will get it. Understand guys, event. Payment is successful. Payment is failure. Both are events only. Okay. What is alert? It is a notification system. We will get a notify. Yes, payment is successful. Or there is a voice message. Yeah, successful payment of 30 rupees. Successful payment of. So payment received rupees 30 rupees, like that. Okay. So like that. So that is in a alerting system to alert whether success or failure or warning. Okay, to alert the people to know what is happening. Guys, understand event and alert. Of course, there is an explanation is there. Event explanation is there. Okay. I'm telling one by one. First of all, as freshly like event and alert. Okay. Next one is incident. Events can be a successful event, or can be a warning, or can be a error. Okay. But in an incident, it's not a event system type, not a alerting system. It is take care kind of stuff. For example, my disk is full. Event. My disk is full is an event. Now I understand there is a notification like a disk is full. What I have to do? Think like this, guys. So where it is? This is better. This PC yesterday when I click this PC, my system got freezed. So see, C drive is showing a red color, like a disk is full kind of red color, right? Now what I have to do? That is event. Red color is event. What I have to do? I have to consider that one as an issue, like incident. How to delete some data, any unnecessary data, or maybe I have to transfer the data from C drive to other drives. Then C drive become turned into the blue color. Okay, right? So that is incident management. Means start working on it. So like take it as an issue, find a solution, and resolve the issue. That is incident. It is notifying me my C drive is full. That is of course event and alert system. What is an incident? How to go to my C drive. So understand what is an issue, why it is showing a red color, like too much data in the C drive. Delete unnecessary data. Delete the unnecessary data. Okay. So like this, I am trying to show you. See, this is yesterday's video data. It is. I'm deleting some unnecessary data. It is around 1 GB only. Okay. So then I'm shift deleting 6 permanent deleted, best deleted. This is today's file. So we'll try. Yeah, we got a. See, it is. I done an incident management. So I consider that is a warning, but I consider that one as an issue. I deleted some data. Now I got my blue color. Or maybe there's some data which is I should not delete it. What I will do? I will transfer to another places. So then my C drive become free space. C drive got a certain free space. That is an incident. And what I have done, so to overcome the issues, the way I am overcome the issue is called a workaround. Okay, incident means unplanned interruption to the IT services called an incident. Guys, any issue is occur, that is called as an incident only. Service is down, server is down, internet is not working, router is not working, disk is down, that is incident only. To overcome, okay, you have to overcome from that issue to temporary way to overcome that issue. So you do something things to overcome that issue. That is called a workaround. So what I have done, I delete some data, I done a workaround. So I feel there is an incident, my C drive is full. What I have done, I deleted some data, then that is a, I have done workaround. So problem is solved, means issue is resolved, that's it. So next one is problem. Problem means unknown root cause of one or more incidents. It meaning is yes, several incidents may happen. Means suddenly there is a 2-3 places a similar kind of issue is occur. Similar kind of issue is occur. So that is we have to consider that one as a problem. Guys, problems never occur. Remember, problems never occur. Whenever an issue is occur, the issue is we have to consider as an incident. Always, any issue is occur, we have to tell them it is an incident only. But if multiple incidents are occur, a repetition of incident is occur, unknown root cause of some incidents are there, then we have to consider that incident as a problem. So issue as an incident has a problem. Okay, any issue is an incident only, but multiple incidents are occur or multiple repetition of incident is occurring, or maybe unknown root cause of that incident or one or more incidents. So we have to consider that incident as a problem. So that is another one. I will explain deep explanation, example explanation is there, but I am telling only the words here. Next one is change. Change means, yes, change is normal, like you have a desktop is there or a laptop. You want to add next 4 GB RAM. You have a 4 GB RAM. You want to add additional 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM. That is a change. Upgradation, updation, replace. I have a server. My server hard disk is damaged. I replace my hard disk. Change, replace. Okay. Change it is. My server RAM is not working properly. I replace my RAM. Or I upgradation of RAM. I have a server with a 16 GB RAM. Add another 16 GB RAM. Now it is 32 GB RAM. Server performance improve, right? So that is also a change. Okay. So it is can be a change, can be a standard change to resolve issues, or updating an application or operating system or a drivers, or updating a package. For example, I am getting 10 Mbps, sorry, 50 Mbps internet. I want 100 Mbps connection. Internet speed is I want 100 Mbps. Change, upgradation. Okay. Now my router is not working that much speed, or maybe it is not giving more range. I want to replace my router. That is also change. Okay. Next is service request. Yes, same thing. Change and service request is also related. For example, request for an information, request from a user for an information, advice, or a standard change to access IT services. Service request is like I'm asking, like I want to access service. Sorry. Yeah, I want to change my internet plan. I call to the service center, service desk. I call to the service provider, and I am asking like I want to change my internet plan. So they'll tell so how much bill I have to pay, right? And what are the requirements, what are the box requirement kind of stuff will go. So service request. Or you are asking some advice, or you want to change something, okay? Or you want to access VPN. You forget your password, you're asking your organization. For example, I'm using All my email IDs are Savantis email IDs, right? Now I forget my password. So I'll call to my service desk and ask like, please reset my password. I forget my password. Please replace my password. Service request. I'm a trainer, right? So I don't require VPN access. For example, I'm a database administrator, or maybe I'm working on some application which is running in the some data center. So I want to access what I'm asked VPN access. Okay, I went to office and I want to take a printout, printer access. So it can be service request, can be a request for information or advice or change or access permissions. So these are the words, guys. Event, alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, service request. You want more information? Already I told. So here it is. You can find incident, problem, service request, and the ticket also there. Okay. You can go to each and everything. You can go to service desk in ITL4, top 5 service desk metrics, service desk support analysis, roles and responsibilities, creating strong service desk culture, how to improve service desk performance, service portfolio, service catalog, what is the difference. Lot of ITSM related things are there. So more you know, the better you go to understand. Okay. So only thing is you have to read, that's it. Okay. An unplanned interruption to the IT services, reduction in the quality of IT service, failure of configuration item that has not yet affected not yet affected service, also an incident. It means, as I said, right, I have a RAID configuration. In a RAID, if one disk is failure, still you can able to access the data. But still, disk is failure, right? One disk is failure, but no problem. Data accessing still there. Disk is failure, but accessing of data is there. Yeah, it is same thing. Same example. In a mirror set, one disk is failure, still user can able to access the data. Okay, but still we have to consider that one as a incident. So this is, you have information is also there, but I will explain this point, guys. Look at here. In generally, when it comes to the ITL or a service desk or service operations, in service operation and ITL service operations, it is very important to make sure that customer is getting service. Okay, so I will give you some example. What are I telling? That is completely opposite. My meaning is completely opposite. You went to the ATM center, you put a ATM card, type amount, right? And you are not getting amount. It is showing no cash in this ATM. So go to another ATM and get a cash. Okay. Or ATM is not working. Service is down. Then you have to go to some other place. Some places next to next lot of ATMs are there. You need some urgent money. Next to next lot of ATMs are there. Maybe you can go. Some places. In some places, it's very difficult to find. That to certain banks, it's very, very difficult to find. Example, one of my bank account is IDBI. IDBI. If there is a branch and there is an ATM, no one knows it will work or not. And if it is not work, you don't know where it is located next ATM. Okay, next ATM, you don't know where it is located. Okay, of course, people say, right, why we don't ATM, no problem. Go to another ATM. No problem, no, so same not required. Whether they are reading newspaper or news, watching news, or maybe there are students of WhatsApp University, I don't know. Okay, you cannot withdraw amount from other bank ATMs because there is a limitation. and still there is no clarification on this limitation. Okay, suddenly if you got charged, one of my student, she got overly charged, almost like a 14,000 rupees additional charge of using a ATM. Okay, and their ATM not working, and here it is. This is the problem. So that's point. Okay, no one will understand the charges. Okay, but customer, if you go to ATM center, your ATM is not working and money is not there, something like that happen, will come back to home, or you will go to another ATM, will try again, right? This is happens, right? So I'm telling it is reverse. You are working in an organization, you are providing a service to the customer. So the customer organization means the client organization not getting the proper service. The service is not satisfactory, or maybe service is down. Service is done. So you are a service provider. You are providing a service to an organization. You are providing service. You are a service provider. These are the clients. Client should get a service. Client not getting the service. Client is not getting the service. So they will send a warning like I am not able to access the service. And you are ignoring that one. Not only one time, it is happening multiple times. What this client will do, so he'll take this entire compliance to the consumer form or a customer, there is a dealing agreement, is there SLA agreement, along with SLA agreement and a series of events, everything they filed in the court. For example, your service value is maybe a 1 crore rupees. They'll file you for 100 crore rupees. Then you have to do settlement. Okay, we are paying for our ATM, but we are not getting service. We are paying for a SMS alerts, but we are not getting SMS alerts. Okay, we are paying for everything. We are paying for a ATM. We are paying for a bank account. Everything we are paying, but we are not getting that services. Not only one, a bank is a one example, but lot of things we are paying, but we are not getting the services. The point is, guys, it is not like our life side we are seeing, but in organization, it is completely different. In organization, completely different. If client does not get any service, or client is not getting the service, he feels service down kind of stuff, it is very serious issue. That's why we are learning this kind of stuff. Okay, you are providing a service to the client. The client should get a service compulsory. Okay, if he's not getting, make sure you have to go and fix the issues to get a service. Client should get a service kind of stuff. Understand, guys, this point? Last point, not a ATM point. Everybody is silent, and I got lot of messages. November 7th. So yeah, so for batch 3, so 7th November kind of stuff means it is mostly it is on Monday. It is on Monday. Okay, so You can start for a version test preparation and also give half an hour daily for technical preparation, guys. At least half an hour. I'm not asking give 1 hour, 2 hours also. Half an hour for technical, that is more than enough. Practice answering for half an hour. Just go through what we are discussed and practice answer wise. You practice, that is more than half an hour. Sorry, half an hour is more than enough. Require 2 hours, 3 hours of technical practice or no problem. So daily you can just give half an hour, that is more than enough. Question answers, try to tell answers, practice answering. So remaining you can put it on your and words and test preparation. But I didn't get anyone answer. Do you understand this point or not? Service provider provide a service to the client and make sure that client should get a service. If in case any problem is occur while you are providing service, some there is a down is there or any issue is raised by client, immediately you have to take care of it and make sure client should not get a service down. Client should not get a service down. So in that point only, guys, this is the server. Okay, you may not know what is server kind of stuff, no problem. This is a server. For example, it's a web server. Okay, it is a server. I'm accessing a server from clients. Like this is server, this is a client. Server is alive, so I am accessing service. If server is dead, what happened? Service is also dead, right? For example, I open this website. So it is, I'm getting this information from this website server, web server. I'm getting this service. Okay. For example, that server is down. So service is also down. We can't able to access the data. Guys, understand or I'm muted? Means
Yes,
you have
sir.
to keep touch with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last 15 minutes
Yes,
I
sir.
keep on asking. Okay. I don't trust this app mainly. Or meeting app is there, no? Sometimes it will go to mute automatically also. Okay. Now the point is, even if your server is down, the client should get a service. Even if your server is down, no problem. Client should get a service. Okay. Server down, but service is working. This kind of stuff we call it as a high availability. High availability. Redundancy or a high availability. High availability. HA. Meaning is even the server is down, we can able to access the service. Same for go for a disk. In a hard disk, you have a data. You have a hard disk. You have a data. If hard disk is down, right? Your hard disk, your laptop hard disk is down. You can't able to access the data, right? You can't able to access the data if hard disk is down. But in this case, in a redundancy, it means one of the hard disk is down. If one of the hard disk is down, still user can able to access the data. So that is a RAID concept, RAID redundancy kind of stuff. So that is the point he is telling here, guys. Look at here. A failure of a configuration item that has not yet affected service is also an incident. Even customer is getting a service, but if one of the server or a disk or a network components are down, still we have to consider that one as a incident only. Do not think I told a big story about incident. Okay, so I will explain. The deep explanation is there. Okay, not a deep explanation, with example explanation is there between incident and problem and a change. Okay, so total point is, guys, why we should learn these terminologies. These are a frequently used terminologies in the IT organization. I'm not talking about a service desk only. In an entire IT organization, you want to become a developer. For example, in future, you practice lot of programming stuff and become a developer. Then there is a report, a change requirement on this particular thing. Your application is showing this kind of error. Okay, so resolve this kind of error and deploy again. So you are a developer and also you have to fix the errors, right? Okay, you know Jira also is a one of the Jira system will notify you what is an issue is occur, what is the progress of program, what is an issue is occur, so where is the fixing is required. So that is the main point. Okay, event, alert, incident, workaround, problems, changes, service requests are most frequently used terminologies in both service desk and a total IT field also. Okay, guys, whether your position is a cloud related management or database management or software development, or maybe you're belongs to server administrator, network administrators. Okay, so whatever it is, these terminologies are most common. So here from one by one, this is event. This is explanation about a alert, incident, workaround, and this is about a problem. And here it is an example which relates incident, problem, and change also. I gave one example. This is about a change and a service request. Okay, so I'm not able to speak more. Okay, I'm getting a lot of it. So this is enough for today, guys. Tomorrow we will discuss from this one onwards. Means one by one. What is an event? What is a alert? What is a incident? What is problem? With an examples, changes, service request, of course, possible monitoring and service desk tools, and anything about ITL kind of introduction I will give you. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you okay with that one, or if you want more, then also we can continue.